Good morning, fellow travelers. What are you doing?
We're making
We're making sprinkle pancakes.
again.
What Emma calls birthday pancakes.
We are doing
Are you mixing?
Oh, I am not. No, I am.
Did you sleep well?
Did sleep well.
Oh, good. Is Floydie being a little crazy this morning?
Yes.
He sure is.
He's not being good.
He isn't. He's meowing a lot. And this is how they come out. I love our little waffle maker. It's the best. Hi, Emma.
Huh?
How are you liking your breakfast?
My hand is sticky.
Why are your hands sticky?
I can't clap loud enough.
What are you having for breakfast?
I'm having pancake.
Yum. Do you like them?
No.
And we're having some breakfast sausages and yogurt and water.
Who's on it?
Who's on what?
I woke up
Nick Wild.
from Dad and had them.
Who's missing from breakfast?
Okay.
Who?
Mickey.
Mickey's missing from breakfast. I was talking about Daddy. Where's Daddy?
He's gone.
Where is he?
Oh, he's in my room.
I think he's in his room.
No, he's in my room.
Oh, he is? Is he sleeping in the crib?
Yeah.
Hey, Emma.
Hi, it means go. My basketball hoop.
Oh, basketball hoop fell down. We're gonna go get some lunch.
One time in a row, 2 times in a row.
It fell down 2 times in a row.
Yeah.
That happened. Hey, up there. I'm in back. Emma asked if I would sit in the back with her. So I said, sure, why not? Right?
Right.
Alright, off to get lunch. I think someone's hungry. They're eating their socks. Are you hungry? Yeah. You're silly. So we got lunch. I got this. It's called a generator. It's ham, turkey, bacon, honey mustard, Swiss cheese, lettuce, pickles, tomatoes. Delicious.
Ham's inside.
There is ham inside. Emma got tuna with pickles and tomatoes and cheese. See, doesn't it look good? Is it good?
Good.
And mommy got
Pickle.
what?
Pickle.
Pickle. And mommy got steak with peppers and onions and cheese
A mushroom?
and mushrooms. How is it?
Very good.
Emma, what are you doing?
Wasn't he good?
Yep. Why?
It's miss.
It's very messy. So she's brushing his beard. Brush over here.
That's messy.
It's very messy.
You are messy.
You're messy.
You are messy.
You're messy.
No.
Yeah.
You are.
No, you are. Hi.
I'm a little messy.
See, she's a little messy.
You are not messy. You are
Guess-
big messy.
I want a dish. Thank you. How was your nap?
You was good.
was
Now
good.
mommy's getting me a vlog.
What are you watching?
That was me. The go-getter.
Mickey and the Go-Getters. That's right. What's happening to Pete?
He's one of his chickens.
The chicken chasing him? Pushing in. Good job. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Look at all the birds.
Oh my.
Gross.
Oh my.
Gross.
Oh my. Oh my.
Ew. What are they doing, Em?
I don't know
That's yucky.
what I'm doing.
I don't know. Ah!
What?
What is going on? Oh, the bird. Oh, we getting attacked by birds again?
Yes.
Oh, it kind of happens every year. Like one day a year, like hundreds of birds come into the yard. Sometimes it's crows like this. Sometimes it's been turkeys. It's crazy. Huh?
Great.
Crazy. Oh, that is disgusting. You see all the birds though? They're all back.
That's
Look at all the birds. How many do you see?
I don't see. 1, 2, 3.
There's just 3. I bet there's about a. Whoa, there they all go. Whoa!
She was in the tree.
Probably like 100 of them there.
Oh, come on, go. I'm gonna put it in the box. Here we
What do
go.
you think they're eating?
I don't know. Pottery nut. Pottery. Pottery.
Probably. Whoa, there they go.
There's some on the floor again.
Yeah, still some down. I don't know. Are those crows?
No.
What
They're
are they?
mine.
Small to be crows.
What
Crows are
they?
big.
Oh, Mama, right on the right.
Anyone know what kind of birds those are?
Oh, I do.
What are they?
Goofy bed.
Oh, he's got something. Okay.
Oh, you did have a nut.
Might be right, Em.
Oh, maybe.
I thought I cleaned them all up. I guess not.
Well, I guess this is all because you didn't rake well enough.
Next year you're gonna have to.
Those are goofy beds.
Tonight for dinner, we are gonna have this mixture, which is spinach, some cream cheese, ricotta cheese, cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, all mixed together, and I'm gonna put it in our wonton wrappers. I know we just had them the other day, but they go bad really quickly after you use them the first time, so gotta use them up. Hi.
Hi, we having breakfast.
Now we're having dinner. How is it?
Good, I just have milk.
Oh, okay. What are you dipping it in?
Yeah.
Blue cheese. So this is what they came out to look like. They look pretty tasty. How are they?
Delicious. Little spinach pie bites.
Kinda. Yeah.
They're so good. Good job, honey.
Thank you. Where are you going?
We're going to bed.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, Ken.
Oh.
I touched it.
We'll see you tomorrow, fellow traveler. See you tomorrow, fellow traveler.